Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the summer carnival. So what you can do is you can print out the card pages here. I don't have very much time to do a video. I'll turn gems into tickets here, but can't get them back again, so careful. And you can win gems in these 3 different games. Post your questions in that tiny box beside the archery. You can buy clothing here, almost all of which is for members, and then items here, which is some very nice things. And you can catch candy in here, which is another game you can earn money. A Wisp, but it costs 5 gems to play. But this is what I really wanted to show you. So you don't need a particular cone for this, but if you do black, white, black, you get the Phantom, which is an excellent addition to it. And of course, you can just do color combinations, but if you do the gold star cone, and then the same combination, you get a Phantom King. And wait, I need to check something. So I don't have, So you press this, the star cone again, do yellow, and double orange. Remember, if you just do single orange, it may look the same, but it's not going to turn out the same sun. So it's lightning coins and then pink, blue, and yellow, I'm pretty sure. But it might be different. And the lightning cone. Well, you would get that rainbow cone if I could remember how to make it. Well, I know it starts out with pink. And then it might be yellow, blue. I had this list that showed all them. Well, I can't figure out how you do that. But maybe if it's blue, yellow, pink. But we really don't have much time to waste here. And unfortunately, I don't have very more left. Back. Aha! Blue, yellow, pink, and the lightning cone makes a rainbow. And I have one more. If you do stars and then all yellow, if you do star cone and all yellow, you will get a star, which looks excellent. And heart cone and all pink, you will get a heart. And if you have one left. Well, I know there's one with the white. I can't remember what's white. So we're just going to have to stick with this for now. So I think it's this, but blue, white, blue. I know you do blue, double blue and a white. I just can't remember. Yes, so I can think of one more way. Or maybe. So I might have to check this one. I might have to try to find it again. Because, well, I'm going to pause. See, she's telling you the rainbow code. And I'm going to pause this video. Back again with what I needed. Just 1 second, guys. So I'm back. It was just what I saw. But it was a bit different. So you get the lightning cone, white, blue, white. I remember why I was thinking that. And you'll see in a second. See? It's mainly blue. So I have one more, well, 2 more actually that I want to show you. So if you get this, you get yellow, orange, this, you need to get the star cone. Yellow, orange, and orange, yes. Go get the sun, which looks excellent. So, sorry, I accidentally paused it. So, that was just something that I had been, and I was using to get a few of the content I had seen, and knew how to make, just needed to refresh my memory on them. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause for a second because, so with the color, so if you do this white cone with the colors white, orange, and yellow, then you get a paw kind of candy, which is my favorite, so that'll be where we are leaving off for today. So back here you get a firefly for when you're cold, and you can get the plushies for quite a lot. Actually, I really want to try a turtle plushie. Oh, I didn't see the dolphin. That took away most of my money, but I think that was worth it. So, I think that they're worth less gems. So 500 gems is worth 1,000 tickets. So you got a little bounce house here. Stairs, bounce, whee, ha ha ha. And then Flobber the Phantom's game. And for the few of you who don't know how to get out of there, they're all over. You just press Summer Carnival is here, the action sign. There you go. I'm going to go back to my den, and I picked up a few things while I was out. A very nice, soft, fluffy cotton candy chair, which I picked up before the video. Well, actually, before my second and this attempt at the video, and my first attempt at this video. I love these little legs. And finally, my dolphin plushie. I love dolphins, so this I just had to have this. And then, well, we've got the triangle window for the few of you who like music. Well, there might be more than a few of you who like music. I don't really know. And well, there's a few more things. Of course, there's Belush. You probably already know all about everything Secret in Belush, but there's one thing it took me quite a while to figure out. Put out here, and that's something from the journey book. So just remember that if you are ever going to be doing the Belush journey book. I don't know what the prize is for the Belush journey book, by the way. And if you click on a hamster, he'll eat his candy corn, which is so cute. They have this new Call of the Alphas. You have to go to a special party to go to the Birth of Paradise. And I had not gotten any Call of the Alphas items. They're all over it, and even in adventures. So, whenever you're in a world that doesn't have a journey book, you get the Call of the Alphas. And you get free prizes, which makes it very exciting. And, well, I really can't think of much else. Aha, I just remembered something. 2 more things, in fact. Nessie is embedded here. Actually, 3 more things. Fortunately, one of which were already in the same row for, and the other one, and for this one. Aha! Look at that! Look at that! Right there. Oh, and I remembered something that you all might have forgotten. So you just kind of have to fumble around here. And, well, someday you'll get it. In the there. And there's a little secret room. And if you climb out, it's very cluttered. Climb out, you can go through here. So first I want to show you one more thing. So just remember that thing we saw in there. And go and get 3 blues. And 3 greens for an extremely pretty color combination. And 3 reds to make it pitch black. And so it'll be a nice gray. Make it 3. And choose your very favorite bottle. Because it doesn't matter. And then click on it. And you'll get your rainbow potion. So I have one more thing to show you. Just need 3 of everything, including the fun. And if this is what I think it is, yes. See the exact same thing as we saw there. And so I guess this took a lot longer than I expected, but if you go through there, but on the other end, which you exit in, then not forever. Somewhere around here, I'm going to try. So y'all, I think I remembered how to get it. Now there might be a small chance this doesn't work. And well, yeah, I'm not quite sure what's happening. And of course, you get instant adventures for here. Check out the epic dance if you go. And every month or so, AJH2 gets a new den, which is always pretty awesome. So it's the newest dance stuff and some of the awesome stuff. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you try out some of the awesome things that I showed you. And I'll see you all later. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to tell all your friends about me and give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to hear more about awesome stuff from all over the web and lots of different types of videos for a huge assortment, all of which are kid-friendly, subscribe, and you could buddy me on Aninal Jam. I'll show you how. For those of you who don't know, I didn't know you can invite a friend to Aninal Jam. Well, that's something new. So you just type in Frozen 1, 2, 3 RE. And you can't search for myself, but you can buddy me then. But if I'm not online, which I probably won't be, I might not be able to accept, but you can send me an Amazon. And if you get for Bad Guy Reporter, you can buddy my younger brother. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later. And don't forget to subscribe and like and recommend a friend. Bye!